So, what is homeopathy? Homeopathy is a holistic system of medicine that works by optimizing the body's innate healing mechanism. The body has an energetic system, an immune system, a nervous system, a cardiovascular system, a endocrine system, like a hormone system. It has all these systems. What ties it all together? What ties it all together is what we call ar-rooh al-haywani. Ar-rooh al-haywani, the animating force or the animating spirit, right? Now, am I talking woo-woo here? This is not woo-woo, right? This is classic hikmah. And you'll find this in not only the books of the old hakeems and the old physicians, but also the books of the ulama, where Imam al-Ghazali talks about this. In the Ihya Ulumuddin, for example, as does Ibn Qayyim in his Tib and others. There is an energy body. There is a subtle body in our physical body. And that subtle body turns the lights on. We're sentient creatures. We have 5 senses, or 10 senses, some say. We have these physiological faculties. Allahu Akbar. I can consume something and digest it and assimilate the benefit and eliminate the rest of it automatically. What is that? I can cut myself and then I can be healed. I can kind of be weeding my garden outside and pull my hand across a thorn patch and cut my hand. And then by the end of the day, it's healed. What is that? How is it doing that? How does it know how much to heal, how much tissue to repair, and when to stop kind of repairing tissue and building more cells? Or why is it not building like a whole scab 2 inches off my wrist when I cut my hand? How does it know to stop? There's this intelligence in the body, you see. There's an innate healing mechanism. It's balancing. It's keeping your body at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? And it's keeping your heart rate at a certain cadence. And it's keeping your breathing at a certain rhythm. And when you digest food, it's taking care of all that. How is it doing that? That's the ruh. That is the ruh. Right? And there is a subtle body that inhabits the physical body that governs its function. And that is the level that homeopathy is working with. That is when we talk about the body's innate healing mechanism. We're talking about that, the subtle body. This is very similar to acupuncture that deals with channels of energy flow in the body. That there are certain channels called meridians, which flow throughout the body and affect certain functions and certain organ systems and certain even emotional states and stuff like that. So it's the subtle body. This is what homeopathy is fundamentally working with. And that subtle body affects the whole. It affects the whole. Okay? So homeopathy here, let's move on with this definition, is a system of medicine designed to restore health and cure the sick, inshallah ta'ala. A person practicing in a homeopathic manner understands that what we give to the body must assist and never oppose the body's healing attempts. They must work with the body. We don't want to oppose the body. We don't want to suppress physiology. We don't want to suppress the symptom. We don't want to lower the fever if the body wants to raise the fever. For example, it's a common way people go against the body, right? It must be a medicine that is capable of stimulating the healing that is already trying to take place innately. Okay, so this is idea of the body, the subtle body, and the subtle body is always inclining, it's always working towards equilibrium, towards balance, naturally, by the fadl of Allah. This is the rahmah of Allah Ta'ala in action, right? And sometimes it gets stuck, sometimes it gets overwhelmed, sometimes it becomes encumbered by toxins or stress or trauma or malnutrition or overworking. There's all these different sources of disease that can affect the body's innate healing processes. And so homeopathic remedies can be used beautifully and wisely to help support that process of reviving the innate process that was trying to balance the organism in the first place.